Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Maybe you're looking to pay off debt or save up for a big purchase. But where do you begin? From choosing the right niche to marketing your services, there are countless factors to consider when launching a successful side business. Don't worry though, with the right guidance, you can turn your side hustle into a thriving venture that brings in serious income on the side. Hey everyone! If you're enjoying this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Host with Airbnb or Vrbo. Using Airbnb to rent a place for some extra cash might be an excellent source of passive income for individuals who want to keep their time free yet generate additional money. Of course, you'll need a place to host, a room, home, or apartment where guests may stay. However, if you have one, you're set. Vrbo is a comparable site, but it only permits independent home listings, while Airbnb enables rentals as small as a bedroom. Other distinctions exist across the sites, so if you're looking to rent a complete property, look at both possibilities. Offer services on Fiverr. Fiverr is another famous network for freelancers of all skill sets to earn some money online. It operates on a similar basis to Upwork, except that it is more of a marketplace than a job board. Instead of bidding on jobs, Fiverr freelancers offer their services. You have the freedom to pursue initiatives that interest you and reject those that do not. You may also charge any fee you choose for your services. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is collaborating with firms you like and sharing trackable affiliate links to their items given by them with your target audience. You earn a tiny percentage when someone purchases via your affiliate link. To become an affiliate marketer, you don't need any prior expertise. For example, the Amazon Associates program is available to anybody who wants to give it a go. You only need a location to post links to Amazon products that you like. While working a full-time job, you can do affiliate marketing on the side. Become a virtual assistant. This side hustle may range from becoming a part-time executive assistant to specializing in a certain field, such as email marketing, and assisting businesses in connecting with their target audience. It is entirely up to you what services you provide. Although some virtual assistants work full-time, there are several chances to work on flexible, limited hours contracts for your clients. The benefit of this sort of work is that you can locate private customers on your own or on sites like Upwork. That's all for today. Comment down below which side hustle would you like to start.